They won't. Well, you can try and hit the stuff with it right below them or something, maybe. Yeah, kind of like that. I might do it. Now, sometimes they are, sometimes they ain't.
Hey, you lazy birds, get down here and eat. I know you can't find them. You gotta come down here and get them.
I'd sprinkle some all over the ground, like half what's in there. Just start throwing it all around. That sometimes does it.
Come on,
That one should come to you.
come on,
That's the most tamest.
come on. Come on, here.
Yep, just like that.
Come on.
You'll land on. I'll kind of add weight to it. So make sure you don't drop it. Oop.